So that's the first thing what you're gonna do is to put in the baby corn. After you put in the baby corn, give it about a second or 2 seconds. Simple, cover it like this. 2 seconds. You're gonna put in the string bean as the water boils up. Do not cover your broccoli because you don't want it to get black. You want to keep it fresh and nice. Start to boil. Roughly about 2 seconds, 3 seconds now since it started. Inside of it, as you can see, steam coming out of it to show it it is boiling up. The best way is to cook veg this kind of way. Wait till the water starts to boil. I got it on a high temperature at the moment, really hot. Be careful, guys, don't burn yourself. All right. So first thing, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put in the baby corn because the baby corn takes a little time to cook. Some people not really long to cook, but it takes a little time. So that's the first thing what you're gonna do is to put in the baby corn. After you put in the baby corn, give it about a second or 2 seconds. Simple, cover it like this. 2 seconds. Nice and lovely. So that's 2 seconds. Second thing, put in your broccoli. Nice one. After about a second and a half to 2 seconds, we're gonna put in the string bean as the water boiled up. Do not cover your broccoli because you don't want it to get black. You want it to keep fresh and nice. Nice and lovely. As you can see, it starts to boil. Roughly about 2 seconds to 3 seconds now since it started. Take a little time to get boiled up. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the string bean inside of it like that. 1 handful of string bean. Nice and lovely. As you can see, that is just really nice. So roughly a second to 2 seconds again. Then we're gonna pour it off and everything ready. And sometimes some people do melt butter and put it over their veg, but we wanna have our veg natural. It's really good like that for you, healthy and natural, you know. So hopefully it will be a benefit to you guys. Nice and lovely. So look, guys, look what's going on. I don't even want to move the camera. I just want you to see exactly what I'm talking about. So as you can see, everything is getting boiled one time. So now this is finished. So we're gonna just pour it off, strain it off, and I'm gonna show you how it looks, just fresh and nice. Look at that, beautiful. This is finished, done and dusted. So I turn off my stove and that's it. So you didn't notice, it doesn't take long to cook when you boil the water. So let's pour it off because I don't want it to get black, all right? Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, that's the lovely fresh veg which I'm talking about. So like this now, you just put it on the table and everyone just take from it. Just lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Hopefully we can come out with better and best recipe in the future. Thank you so much. And as you can see, it doesn't take long to cook veg at home. Broccoli and baby corn with string bean. Enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments if it is a good veg or if you like veg and if you're a vegetarian. Please leave your comments. It's very important for me and for the team. Alright? See you next time. Bye.